Another product Samsung released at their event that they did 2 days ago is the new Flex2 Alpha computer. It's a laptop. It's coming with QLED screen. It looks good. It looks really, really good. I'm not gonna lie. Now, the Flex2 Alpha comes in not at a bad price at 850 US dollars. The screen, like I said, is QLED, so you get very punchy colors overall. You get very good build quality. In fact, it's coming with the latest 11th generation Tiger Lake processors. It's a two-in-one setup, so it's cool overall what it can do. The RAM it comes with by default is 8 gigs of RAM on a Core i5, or 12 gigs of RAM on a Core i7. Storage is around 256 gigabytes and range up to 5112 gigabytes. So that's just good for the most part. So the other thing it does is you get a touch screen, because the screen can be controlled as well, so that if you're looking to do that. But regardless, I think this is a very good release. So that's just it. I will leave the specs in the description if you're interested. Do subscribe to our channel, do like our content, do follow on social media. I'm going to see you guys next time.